Welcome back to the channel. It's Derek from the Sideshow Guys here. We got the Honda Talon out of storage. We're going to do an install video on it today. We had a company reach out and send us something that we're going to install today, so we'll do an install video, so stay tuned. Our friends at KEMIMOTO sent a box over for us here. Nice packaged up box. We'll get it open and show you what we got inside. You guys can leave a comment in the box or in the below there if you think you know what it is. Looks like it's got a remote there packaged up. We got a power cord here. Got an accessory box. Looks like they boxed up the accessories all separate. Nicely done. Everything's nicely packaged, all protected with foam. We'll get opening some of this and see what it is. I'm doing this all by myself, so I'll try and lift this out and show you what we got here. So this is what we got, a KEMIMOTO soundbar. We'll set that on the bench. This looks like the bar clamps for it to mount it to the roll cage. The second one here as well. I think this is the hardware, the nuts and bolts to attach it. So this is the KEMIMOTO Midnight 80 soundbar, 32 inches wide, 6 speakers. So you got speaker here and one on the end we'll show you that lights up. Same on the other side. It's got hand controls there. It also comes with a remote with a lanyard on it here. It comes with a lanyard on it. We'll see if we can find somewhere to mount that in the machine. It comes with a set of 2 fuses here. These are the roll bar clamps for mounting the roll bar, and that's got inserts depending on the size of roll bar you got, whether it's 2 inch, 1.5 inch. There it comes with an instruction manual. Of course, you got power cord, and we got the hardware here with the Allen key and different size bolts, as well as the washers. So that's just a quick view of it. We'll get to installing it here on the Honda Talon. I think I'm going to mount it to the rear bar up here. I'll mount it here and here. We might have to remove some stickers, but I think I can mount it to the upper bar there. And we'll get to doing that here in a few minutes. The top of the sound bar does have multiple holes here for mounting points on both sides, so you can put your clamps. This has a single bolt in it, so you can put your clamp it there, or depending on how wide out you can clamp it. I think I'm going in the second one here is where I'll mount it up. We'll do a couple test fits, make sure we got it the right way, how we like it, and go from there. As you can see on the Talon here, we're probably going to have to remove the roof. So there's one bolt there. And then up top, there's in the back corner here, an Allen head bolt. There's another one out the front there. So we got 4 bolts. We'll pull the roof off to give us access, because we got to put our bar clamps. We got to put our bar clamps around here. We need to drop our bolts down from the top down into the clamps. So we'll pull the roof off, and so we'll get the roof removed so we can put our clamps on there and get this soundbar mounted up. I got it sitting there backwards right now just to show you what the face of it looks like. We'll turn it around and get her mounted up. Of course, it's just an Allen head here, so we'll get our Milwaukee ratchet out. We'll get our Milwaukee ratchet out with the Allen head size we need to remove the roof and get this underway. Now we got the roof all unbolted, so we should be able to just slide it ahead. Now we got the roof slid ahead there, we can get access to our upper roll bar here to mount our speaker. Now I chose to put it on an angle like this here, because when you're sitting here, your helmet will clear it. If I had it tipped down straight, the helmet would hit here. So I just rotated it, tipped it back, so it's sitting on a bit of an angle there. It should play the music down in the cab more anyway, so we'll get to tightening these clamps up. There's 2 bolts per clamp, 1 on each side there, and then we'll get the roof put back on, and we'll show you what we're doing next. So now we got the sound bar all mounted. We have to run the wires through the battery up to it. And like I said, it has speakers in the end here, and 2 on this side, 2 on that side. So that's it all mounted up. Like I said, I put it on an angle here because if it was here, you'd hit your helmet on it. So your helmet will come up like this. So we won't be banging our heads on it. Be able to reach the controls there between us, so either passenger or driver can access it. So we'll get it wired up next and power it up, see how it sounds. So we have the sound bar all wired up there. You can see the plug in the back. And I have to get a light here. We ran it up and we zip tied it on the top roll bar. Then we brought it down the side here. Brought it through the back of the vent. Hopefully you can see that. And then under the rear fender here, we brought it down and into the battery box. My battery's behind that cover right there, and hooked it to the battery. There's the sound bar all set up. We'll get it powered up here. They give you a nice remote here. You can control all the functions on the remote. It also has it on the face of the sound bar up there. All the buttons as well. They're kind of behind your head, so you do have the remote you can use. We'll power it up. So that's the remote here. You can change the lights. They have different colors. Turn them off, turn them on. You can skip songs on the remote, do everything from the remote. You got lights on the end. You got light on the bottom here. Should look really good in the dark at night. Do some night rides maybe this year.
Off-road. Default. Bass boost. Off-road. Somebody save me.
Shit we've been doing since we was J-High. There's folks out there ain't see all why it is. Man, ain't that some shit that you hate to grow up and miss?
Default.
What if I didn't even know what a honey hole with a Zepco on my jeans?
Bass boost.
Even is, they say we ain't got a pot to piss.
So that's the KEMIMOTO Midnight 80 32-inch sound bar. Like I said, it's got 6 speakers in it. Got lights, got 3 different EQ modes, tons of options for how you want to set the lights up. I believe it's a 500 watt sound bar. Sounds really good for the price. Very easy to mount. Basically 2 clamps and wire it up to your battery. I may put a switch into it though, I'm not sure yet. On the line, the power to the battery is fused, so there's no worries there. So that's another install video on the Honda Talon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the trails.